Okay, so today I am going to be unboxing this hair. First of all, I did receive this hair very quickly. I received this hair literally in 4 days, which is good. This is their box. Okay, I know it's hard to see because it's very bright right now, but it's light pink. It has flowers on the sides and it says here 100% human hair. Behind that, it's telling you advantage, quality, and the correct way to care virgin hair. It's cute. I think the packaging is basic. I mean, I saw way much better, but I think it's cute still because it's a box and it's not just a plastic bag. Okay, so once you open it up, you'll see the bundles, the lace. So these are the stuff. So, oh, actually I have 3 bundles. Yeah, 3 bundles and a lace frontal. They have sent me a 18 I think they meant to say texture body wave, and it's a 1B color, definitely. So this is how it's looking. We're gonna open it up in a minute. And as for the bundles, as I have a 18 inches, I have a 22, and I have a 20. Okay, so 18, 20, 22 inches of hair, and it's also body wave 1B. And yeah, and it's telling you the inches over here, like on the paper there. Okay, it's so high, y'all cannot see, but it's telling you the inches on the top, which most hair companies does. So this is the lace frontal. You can see that it's definitely a body wave texture, and it's very long and it's wrapped in a hairnet. So this is the hair. As I'm rubbing my hand through, it's true that it doesn't have no tingle and no shedding so far. Yeah, this hair is a 1B color. It's very soft. 18 inch, I would say yes, it's an 18. Ooh, I love the lace, y'all. Like, this is the lace. I will have to, well, you guys will have to bleach this lace if you want to get the knots away, because this lace kind of beige or something like that. But look at the hairline. It's gorgeous, you guys. This is a very gorgeous hairline. Like, I love when it's like not straight. Some hairline be looking crazy, y'all. This one is beautiful hairline. It moves its waves. It's not just a sharp straight hairline, so it's very beautiful. This is something that is easy to work on. You will have to pluck because this is very not plucked at all. They haven't plucked this unit, but this is how it's looking. Very beautiful, very soft. I think it's gorgeous. I mean, the person who's gonna win this, I need to see how you're gonna style this, because bro, this is beautiful. This is very gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm gonna open up the 22 inches because this is the longest one. Okay, so this is the 22-inch bundle. I'm gonna just take that one off. And I love what they did with the hairnet. Like, they literally twist it up so the hair doesn't fall out, because sometimes it happens. All right, this is how it looks. It's super bouncy. We're not gonna say this hair doesn't bounce. Definitely body wave. And oh, this hair is definitely beautiful. I love the bounce and the shine of it. Well, it doesn't have weird color into it. Oh, I have, no, this is not. Yeah, it doesn't have weird color into it. You know, sometimes hair has like golds or silver, orange type of little hair. Oh, baby Ray with daddy. The bundles are very full to me. I think 3 bundles will be definitely a full head, around almost literally 180 density. The hair doesn't have no like splits, and the ends are not splits. They're beautiful. Like, these ends are very gorgeous. The company name is Ishow. They sell weave bundles and hair extensions and all of that, and they have a discount code right now, Ishow3, which give you $3 off. They have body wave, straight, deep wave, curly, loose wave, water wave, yaki, loose, deep wave. These are all the texture that they have, virgin hairstyle. And then you can, you know, you can get only bundles, you can get the lace, you can get closures, you can get bundles and closures.